Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Magical Maiden, and I want to welcome you all to my channel. I finally updated my welcome. I've had my holidays went on for a while, but I have been extremely busy. If any of you have seen my latest update one, it's the one with my black cat Magic on it, laying there. Some people told me the picture, they got worried, but I assure you he's all right. He was just napping. And hamming it up the camera. So I just wanted to say welcome to my channel. So to my old subscribers, thank you for being subscribed for such a long time, and I hope you continue sticking with me. And to my new subscribers, which thank you, I've gotten a lot in the last few months, weeks, days, and hours. So thank you for being subscribed to me. Thank you for taking the time to look at my channel. And for those who are just looking around and not sure about whether you're going to subscribe or not, I hope you'll have a look around. I have a variety of different playlists, so it's not just geared to one thing. And to everybody, please remember to click that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my newest content. And please like if you watched my video and enjoyed it. I would appreciate it if you gave it a like. And if you know anybody that might be interested in any one of my videos, please feel free to share and comment if you have any questions or if you just want to say hello. So now, also what I'm going to tell you is if I approve comments, so that if I get trolls or anybody that's rude, nobody else is going to be subjected to seeing that. And usually I don't even waste my time with it. I see it, I delete it, and I go on with my day. So it's kind of a waste of their time and to even bother. So I always approve my comments. They just don't get posted unless I approve them. So just wanted to get that out there. So anyway, it's been a long time since I've been actually on the camera. I've been extremely busy. Some of you might remember I got a new backdrop. It's for the spring and summer now. I live in the South. It's always kind of warm, but we do get a winter here where I live in Alabama, southern Alabama. You do get the changing of the seasons, but it's more mild. And it's kind of cloudy today. So most of you know that I have a variety of different playlists. Some of you don't, you're new. So my first playlist was basically, you'll see my welcome and then updates and announcements. If anything changes, if I haven't been around in a while, if something happened, if I'm going to take time off, you'll always find it in updates and announcements. My second one is jewelry tutorials. Now most of you already know that I started off my channel just making little jewelry tutorials, but actually originally it was just a place to host some videos of my cats or when I went away and did things. Now it's a combination of things. So basically I have jewelry tutorials. I have a variety of different types of jewelry tutorials, basically geared to the beginner, but anybody can use them. I give you lots of different ideas. I have anything from wire jewelry to beads to chains to rope to different types of things where I show you how to make jewelry out of old used tea lights and tin can lids and a variety, and even cardboard. And I also have a 3-part resin video. I show you everything on how to use it, what to do and what not to do, and then I show you in the other video a second part of it. I show you mixing it, pouring it, and put what you can put into the resin. And then the third one, I show you popping it out of the resin and how I clean it up, trim it, file it, and turn them into jewelry. And then I have a fourth one with just resin ideas of items that I created using the resin. So I have a very large combination of different variety of different jewelries that you can make. And so it's not just one thing, but I make it easy enough for the beginner that's just doesn't know much, it doesn't know the terminology. I'm trying to make it as easy as I can for you. Okay, so the next thing, I also have some ASMR. I also have some DIY crafts around the holidays, just home decor. I have everyday vlogs. I have my whole entire move when I moved from upstate New York all the way down to Mobile, Alabama. I show you us remodeling the house and just everyday stuff. I chit chat. I also have ASMR. I do some fun stuff with the ASMR. I also have my poetry in there. Um, and I have my cats, videos of my cats. I have shorts. I have some quick and easy recipes that are affordable. And it's just, I also have product reviews. Some of the things are things I bought myself, and some are for other companies. Some of you may not have seen it, but I just did a review for this combination. It's a watch with two bracelets, and they come in a different variety of colors as well as different style combinations. So you really should check that out. I can't stay too long. I've been very busy. Most of you might know, if you watched that update that I posted a few days ago, that my sister bought the house next door. Her and her husband just moved here. They've only been here for like a week. So I've been busy helping her do things and unpacking. And before that, I was cleaning her house, and I painted the whole interior, me. And my husband did some minor repairs, and so I've been over there quite a bit. So it leaves me very little time to sit and make videos, because by the time I get back here, I have to feed my cats, I have to give them attention, I have to make dinner, I have to clean up. So I haven't the leisurely time like I used to have. So please bear with me. It doesn't mean I'm going to neglect my channel. So this was the most recent product review I just did, and it was a watch combination by Stewart's. And under that video in the description box will be the link where you can find this. And in that video, it shows you the different combination styles and colors. And it's really great. It's a nice set. It's affordable, and it's of good quality, and I really love it. So definitely check that out if you're interested. And you know, it's a great Mother's Day gift. Mother's Day's coming up. Easter's coming up. You can put these things in an Easter basket. Some people put little gifts like that. It's great. Birthdays, Valentine's Day already passed, but in the future. So, you know, and Christmas. So I finally got rid of my holiday background. It's been up there for quite some time. I didn't expect it to stay up there that long. So now we can hear the sights and sounds of the beach. I'll put some ocean sounds, some seagulls. So I'll try to get more videos. I just wanted to welcome everybody to my channel. The only update I have is that I've been really busy. So I'll try to get as many videos as I can up for you, but I haven't been gone. So if you don't see me for a while, it's not that I'm neglecting my channel or leaving. I'm not going anywhere. I'll always be here. I have another review coming up, so you might want to look out for that. So if you're not subscribed, please click that subscription button, click the notification bell, and remember, if you enjoyed my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and comment, even if it's just to say hello. I really just wanted to give this one. I also have paranormal vlogs for those of you who like to hear and about the paranormal, where I show you how I do catch spirits in water. And I call it water scrying, but it's a technique, because the waters are living waters, and you can actually get spirits, entities, and interdimensional beings in water. And I also I tell stories. It's paranormal vlogs, growing up paranormal, of my life growing up paranormal since I was little till now. I also have like clips of conversations and little EVPs that I catch. It's just basically they talk to me sometimes in the middle of doing a video. So yeah, so I hope you will check that out as well, and just have a good look around my channel, because like I said, I have a variety of different playlists. Now I know some of you have asked if I'd make more on the mud fossils and on Tartaria. Now there has been a lot of videos on that. There's a lot of great channels that under that video of the mud fossils, there's a lot of links to a lot of good channels. So I suggest you take a look through that and go ahead and definitely look at those channels. They have great information. I don't really have the time because I like to really use discernment with my information and vet it and get the best of the best pictures that haven't been seen a bazillion times. So it's been taking me a while since I don't have that kind of time anymore. It's been taking me some time. So I hope you'll bear with me. I will try to do another video. I've been wanting to. And so when I get to it, I guess I'll get to it. So I really wish I had the beach in the back, but so I'm hoping also to get to the beach. So the next time you see me, I'll have a nice summer beach tan, hopefully, if I get to it. So I just wanted to say hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.